This is looking so good. And would you be surprised if I told you that it was only a month ago that I put the seed potatoes into these grow bags and then added the soil? But it's really remarkable how quickly they've grown. And it goes back to something I always say, and that is feed the soil and let the soil feed the plants. And that has everything to do with how well these are looking right now. And I use that soil cubed veggie mix, that organic soil that really makes all the difference. And I mixed in a little shredded leaf mulch there, but look at the soil. I mean, that is incredible. And again, a little bit of leaves in there, but mostly it's the soil. And I added some mulch on top with some more leaves. But I've also noticed that they're going to flower, which means that those potatoes are forming down there. And once these flowers bloom and then they go over, which means they kind of finish up, you can start harvesting those potatoes if you want to, but you don't have to because they store pretty well right in place, and then you can fish them out as needed. But the beauty of doing them in a grow bag is, again, you can dump them out all at once and just harvest from the bag. You never have to worry about stabbing them with a pitchfork or anything like that. But then the other thing I always say is right plant, right place. And these love full sun, and they have the full sun. And so that certainly is helping a lot. And then the only other thing I wanted to point out, I noticed a little bit of damage here. And when I say damage, I mean a little bit. That's really not damage to me, but something is chewing that, just sampling it. Probably a Japanese beetle or potentially a potato beetle, but that has no concern to me. I'll keep my eye on that, and they're easy to control, especially with just 8 grow bags, but nothing to worry about. But the progress looks really good. And if you're not growing potatoes, you should do it because it's one of the easiest things that you can grow and definitely one of the most delicious things you can eat fresh from the garden.